Welcome to In the Kitchen with Ricky Shatta. So I'm starting a wing challenge, right? And we're gonna call it Just Jerk. It's gonna be a jerk chicken challenge, and you have a chance to win $50 to $100 if you can completely eat off 5 to 10 wings in the space of a minute. But I can't have a wing challenge, a hot wing challenge, and not try out the products first. So this is just an ingredient that I'm going to be using in my jerk sauce, jerk chicken sauce for the Just Jerk challenge. And oh man, so for those of you who don't know, jerk chicken is already supposedly be spicy, but I make a jerk chicken where it's very flavorful and you can enjoy it without the ha. So one of my barbers challenged me and said, hey, can you make it a little spicier? So I said, all right, I'm gonna make it a little spicier. And hopefully this is spicy. So what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna crush up these ghost pepper chips. So it's the haunted ghost pepper. Oh my gosh. On the package, it says for the hot scale. So the green one is not hot. Yellow is kind of hot. Orange is hot. And bright orange is super hot. And red is freaking hot. Seriously bold flavors. We're bringing the heat, and it's hurts so good. Do you dare? Well, I dare. And I'm gonna try it. I'm really gonna try it. So this is what I'm going to incorporate in my jerk seasoning to enhance those wings for the jerk wing challenge. Again, I'm doing a jerk wing challenge. So I'm going to try one first. As you can see, I'm not exaggerating. The pack is not open. It does say haunting ghost peppers. See? So, do you think it's hot? I don't know. We're about to find out. Smells like Doritos. Whoa. Don't hit like Doritos though. I'm from Brooklyn, I'm Jamaican. Let's just go with one whole one. Okay. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Woo! It's not it's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. It's hot, but I thought it was gonna be worse than that. Does have an after kick. Mm. Mm. Woo! Mm. Nah, I'm just playing. It ain't that hot. But tune in and make sure that y'all sign up for that jerk challenge. Pause. Not that jerk challenge, but I'm doing a jerk wing special where if you can eat 5 wings in the space of a minute, I'll give you $50. I'll give you $50 if you can beat that challenge. 5 wings, 1 minute. 5 wings, 1 minute. I'm just saying, yo. That's $10 a wing. Can you do it? These bad boys is, woo. Whoa. So, tune in for the hot wing challenge. And, see if anybody can beat it. Right? Let's see if the barbers can beat it tomorrow. Because my haircut depends on it. All right? So